So this is my second annual Christmas Day Overland adventure. Last time I was out here, quite a bit of snow. This time, not so much. 53 degrees right now. Beautiful. Just made it through Pioneer Town and on my way to Rattlesnake Canyon. Should get off the pavement here pretty soon, but it's getting dark. 4:45 already, and I got at least an hour or more to a place I can set up camp. We'll see how it goes. All right, coming into Pioneer Town, starting out on this Christmas Day journey. Just made it onto the dirt, getting ready to air down. We'll see how it goes. Let me just give you a little peek of how beautiful this is here. Isn't that nice? Black Hawk Ranch. Wouldn't be a bad place to set up a homestead. Okay, looks like we're getting ready to enter Rattlesnake Canyon here. RC 2248. Take a look. Okay, this is Vicera Spring, it looks like. Looks like there's actually some water here. Pretty cool. Up there, but old windmill. Another old homestead back here. Made it to camp, getting ready to get something to drink and have a cigar and enjoy the campfire. Good morning, everybody. Had a great night last night. Beautiful weather. And I got an inquiry about some of the stuff I have, some of my gear. So I thought I'd give you guys just a quick tour as I'm getting ready to make breakfast. Here we go. First of all, I thought I would show you my camp setup. Pretty beautiful out here. I'm off of Burns Road at the entrance to Rattlesnake Canyon, some BLM land up here. Obviously an old, I think this is probably cattle that they were grazing up here. Hello everyone, it's Wes from Adventure Family, and I got a few requests to go over some of my gear. So I thought I'd give you guys just a quick overview of my stuff here, and then as I get it set up later, show you that. Well, there it is. I like to keep all my stuff organized, ready to go. In the big action packer, I've got my chair, my stove, my table, and my fire pit, my heater, my Mr. Buddy in there. Everything, my basic camping needs, pots, pans, that all goes in there. Obviously the cooler. Under that's my food container. I use that storage container, and then I'm using this new water port. So that's my water, and then the container down there at the bottom is for wood. So that's it. Pretty much all my stuff. It's all kept ready to go. Then I just slide it on back here, and I'll be ready to go. There it is. All loaded up. Snatch it straps, keep it pretty tight. Give you an overview here. Here's my camp setup. Got my water boiling, getting ready to do some coffee. So I keep, as I said, I keep my stove inside that action packer, along with all of this camping equipment. My Mr. Buddy heater, which I used last night, and my table and chair. I also got my fire pit inside the action packer, some few other odds and ends, but I like to keep it all in there ready to go so I can just pop it in the back. First container is all my food stores. That second one is my wood, axe, things like that. There you go. This Coleman has been working for more than 25 years, I would say. It's been great. Really enjoy little pour over. Easiest way I found to make coffee. But you can't beat the view for breakfast. Time to hit the trail again. This looks like it would have been an incredible home. Certainly an incredible view. Often come across these gates. This is obviously cattle territory. So if it's closed, you close it back up. If it's open, you leave it open. Pretty significant mining activity up there. I'd like to come back and check that out. I don't know if you can hear this because of the wind, but I had to just stop here on the Burns Trail, point out this this rock here. That's what I hit on my way down a year ago, coming down in the snow. Looks like it's moved off to the side of the road a little bit, but yep, I got hung up on all this. That was a fun trip though. Okay, I was coming down this trail. Everything was going well until I high centered on this rock. Got the jack under there. I'm hoping I'm gonna be able to get out because I don't think anybody's coming around. Hello everyone, I'm Wes from the Adventure Family. I so appreciate you watching our videos. I wanted to share that this channel started a year ago in December of 2019 as a way to document our adventures for our own enjoyment. And in that year I was astonished that the channel has had over 10,000 views. As you can tell, we are strictly amateurs and have no sponsors. We just love getting out of the city and having adventures. So thanks for watching and commenting, and hopefully we will see you out in the wilderness.